Suzuki has launched its 7th big bike for India. It's called the GSX-S750 and is also their second locally assembled large capacity motorcycle after the mighty Hayabusa. The S750 is priced at Rs 7.45 lakh ex-showroom Delhi, which makes it about 15,000 more expensive than the lesser powered CBR650F. But it is 23,000 rupees cheaper than the Kawasaki Z900 and a massive 1.26 lakh rupees cheaper than the Triumph Street Triple. The S750 was showcased at the Delhi Auto Expo earlier this year and promises to offer a comfortable ride, excellent handling and punchy performance from the K5 Gixxer 750 derived motor. The engine is good for 112 horses with 81 Nm of torque, shaming most of its rivals in the number game. The S750 looks a lot like the bigger S1000 that is also sold in India, and it continues to look aggressive with extensions of the tank literally hugging the radiator. We love the naked headlamp that now has the position lamps placed just outside. It also gets a now common LCD display that riders say is very easy to read. Duties up front are done by 41mm KYB sourced USD forks with twin 310mm dual disc brakes. The bike wears Bridgestone's new Battlex Hyper Sports S21 tires. The Suzuki GSX-S750 does not get tech gizmos like slip or assist clutch, but has features like low RPM assist and a 3-stage traction control. ABS of course is present here. With this new naked mid-capacity superbike, Suzuki is trying to make stronger inroads into the segment of sub 10 lakh rupee motorcycles. Deliveries will start this month itself and we can't wait to ride the bike early next month. Stay tuned for more.